Yo, what's up, man?
What up, bro?
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Chilling, man.
Yo.
It's been a minute.
Dude, yeah, man, it's been a while.
Yo, come into the office, man. I gotta
Good buddy of mine, man.
I gotta show you a couple things. Have a seat, man. So, summertime, man. We're about to get a bunch of shoots going on at the dunes.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna go down to, like, remember that creek that we filmed that one video at?
Yeah.
Got a bunch of people that wanted to do that same exact thing.
Yeah, it's a good location, man. It's in Sedona. Well, it's like right before Sedona, Arizona. There's this creek that looks incredible, man, for like video. You can do music videos there, photos, all that stuff.
Yeah, and it's a great way to cool off, like, while you're filming, right? Because that water is freezing. But it's all good. Anyways, so I got that going on, but I want to show you something else.
Uh-oh. This guy's always got some tech. What do you got?
Well, all right, so you know how there's all these, a lot of AI coming out and, you know, all these different things that are like virtual goggles.
Uh-huh.
Well, check this out, man. This is the BS 3000X virtual goggle.
Dude, that's sick. That's dope. So what is it, like a regular virtual reality headset? Like, you know, like the Apple or something like that, like the iPad?
The best way I can show you is for you to put it on and try it.
What? Dude, I've never done virtual reality goggles, man, so this is going to be interesting. But those look dope, man. That's pretty badass. Man, so this is going to be my first time wearing a virtual headset. The BS3000X, pretty dope. Hopefully it lives up to its reputation. Bro, hold this for a second. Let me try these on.
Gotcha.
It's pretty light, man.
Yeah, and you know what? The electronics in there are amazing. The carbon fiber that they use in there, they use some sort of Teflon Nylar combination. I don't even know what they're using in there.
Well, it's pretty dark right now. Like, do you have to activate it on the computer?
All right, I got you. Stand by. Here we go.
Dude, this is crazy. Bro, can you load up another scene?
Did you want me to say I love you? Wake up in the morning and kiss and hug you, so you know this love is real, something you can feel. I'm looking for a faithful lover, someone that I don't have to chase, someone that's sweet in my way. Looking for a faithful lover, someone that I don't have to chase, someone that'll keep my pace. Do you extra taste, someone that'll keep my pace. I'm looking for a faithful lover, someone that I don't have to chase, someone that'll swing my way. I'm looking for a faithful lover, someone that I don't have to chase, someone that'll keep my pace.
Brian Little.